Hey, fellow investors, have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly build wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? The answer might lie in the pages of some of the most influential finance books ever written. Today, we're going to explore 9 timeless lessons from these bestsellers that have shaped the way we think about money, investing, and financial success. Let's start with a principle that's as relevant today as it was when it was first introduced: the concept of margin of safety. This idea, championed by Benjamin Graham, reminds us that investing isn't just about potential gains, but also about protecting ourselves from losses. It's like wearing a seatbelt when driving. You hope you won't need it, but you're glad it's there if you do. In practical terms, this means looking for investments that are undervalued, giving us a cushion if things don't go as planned. Now, let's shift gears and talk about something we all need to understand: the difference between assets and liabilities. Robert Kiyosaki popularized this concept, and it's a game changer. An asset puts money in your pocket, while a liability takes money out. Seems simple, right? But how many of us treat our cars or designer clothes as assets when they're actually draining our wallets? I know I've been guilty of this in the past. By focusing on acquiring assets that generate income, we can start building real wealth. Speaking of wealth, have you ever noticed that some of the richest people you know don't necessarily flaunt their money? Thomas Stanley's research revealed that many millionaires live well below their means. It's not about deprivation, but about making conscious choices. Maybe it's driving a reliable used car instead of leasing a new luxury vehicle every year. Or choosing to invest in your retirement account rather than splurging on the latest gadgets. These small decisions compound over time, leading to significant wealth accumulation. But let's be real, changing our financial habits isn't easy. That's where James Clear's insights come in handy. He teaches us that small, consistent actions can lead to big results over time. For example, setting up automatic transfers to your savings account each payday, or reviewing your expenses weekly. These tiny habits, when done consistently, can transform your financial life. Now, here's a piece of advice that I've found incredibly valuable: invest in what you know. Peter Lynch, one of the most successful investors of our time, swears by this approach. Think about it. If you work in tech, you might have insights into which companies are truly innovative. Or if you're a parent, you might spot the next big trend in children's products before it hits the mainstream. By leveraging our personal knowledge and experiences, we can make more informed investment decisions. But money isn't just about numbers on a spreadsheet. It's deeply personal and emotional. Vicki Robin encourages us to align our spending with our values. Ask yourself, does this purchase truly align with what matters most to me? This approach not only leads to more mindful spending, but also greater life satisfaction. I've found that when I spend money on experiences or things that truly matter to me, I feel much more fulfilled than when I buy something just because it's on sale. Morgan Housel takes this idea further by exploring the psychological aspects of money. He reminds us that our financial decisions are often driven by our personal histories, emotions, and biases. Understanding these factors can help us make more rational choices. For instance, if you grew up in a household that was always worried about money, you might be overly cautious with your investments. Recognizing this can help you find a better balance between risk and security. Let's not forget the power of mindset in achieving financial success. Napoleon Hill's work emphasizes the importance of having a clear vision and unwavering belief in your ability to achieve your financial goals. It's not about wishful thinking, but about setting clear objectives and persistently working towards them. Whether it's starting a side hustle or aiming for a promotion, your mindset plays a crucial role in turning those goals into reality. Finally, remember that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. These lessons from some of the greatest financial minds provide a solid foundation, but it's up to us to apply them in our own lives. I hope these insights have given you some food for thought and practical ideas to improve your financial life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more financial wisdom. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And hey, I'd love to hear about your favorite finance books or money lessons in the comments below. Until next time, happy investing. Like, share, and comment below for more inspiring content.